Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
So it's moving day again today. We are going down south from Bangkok, but before we leave, let me show you where we were staying for the last 4 weeks.
If you're new here, we are Danny and Diggy, an English-Polish couple from the UK.
We have quit our jobs to follow our dream of exploring Thailand for the next year.
If you love good food, views, beaches,
And want to see more of this beautiful country,
join us on our journey.
Yeah, so everything in here has a key card to get around and get in and out of the building, to get in and out of the reception as well. So it's all secure here, which is really cool. I'm just taking you down to the more general areas. So I'm going to show you the pool, I'm going to show you the communal areas, and I'll show you the gym as well. That's on the 4th floor, so let's go. Yeah, so as you exit on the 4th floor, you basically see behind me, we have the washrooms. Yeah, so I'm going to take you to the washrooms. So you got washing machines, you got tumble dryers. So you can see, you've got loads of washing machines here. You've got loads of dryers as well. And you've also got your water machine as well for clean water. So you have to keep buying it from 7-Eleven. So that's good, it's really nice. And then the other side, you have lockers, you have toilets, men, ladies. Yeah, you have lockers, you got showers, and just out that door we just came from, you have the swimming pool. Yes, so this is the pool area. There are 2 pools. There's one for each building because there is building A and building B. But also, as you can see behind me, there's this nice seating, chilling area, which is cool to sit on. And also the other side, it's a big, massive pool. It's huge. And the good thing is, this is never busy. You can see now, it's just gone midday, and it's never busy. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you through to more of the common areas. So in the common areas you have a pool table, you have like a kitchen lounge area, you have a kitchen lounge area, what anyone can use as well, anyone who lives in the building. And they have toilets and even showers down here. So after you're in the pool, they've got a shower which is communal as well. So let's go and have a look. Swadee.
So in here we have a big chilling area with a TV. We also have a communal kitchen. There's Danny. We also have a communal kitchen here where people come and work on the tables. Here we've got a second room, also with the sofas, table, kitchen, all looking very nice.
It's nice to have these areas, you're not just stuck in your condo. And you've got a fridge here, you can bring your own drinks, put your fridge in if you stay here and work all day. You've got everything here, you've got a hob, you've got a cooker, there's aircon in here, and it's really clean as well. They keep this clean every single day.
And here what we've got our own gym as well. It's never too busy, so you don't have to fight for the equipment. Yeah, aircon blasting, nice and cold.
Yeah, the gym's quite good. It's got everything you need. So you got your running machine, you got your bike machines, you got your cross trainer, you got your flat bench, reclining one, you got your free weights, and you got one cable machine as well. So there's everything you need. And again, all included in the price. You can't go wrong, really. It's good. So yeah, there's lots of stuff here. Pool table, you've got shared facilities where you can cook and eat and chill, loads of sofas. I really like it. And yeah, your washroom's down here, your water's here, your laundry's here. But I'll take you down to the reception area now. You can have a look at that.
So there is a coffee machine in the lobby. We have also the chilling area here. And the gardens, the show gardens?
Yeah.
Our train is at 8:10. We're leaving from brand new station in Bangkok, train station, the biggest train station in Asia. We're back at the seaside after a month.
I can feel the sea breeze
Yeah.
already.
So cool.
Nice. So fresh. That's lovely.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Wow.